What's going on, guys? Scotty with Miller Marine. Tuesday afternoon. A weekly recap. We got this action craft in that we're starting to get wrapped up here. Pull the motor, get the transom done, pull the jack plate off because he doesn't need it or want it. Gonna do a new panel, new stereo, did a new jail audio system. Which, got the speakers in, amps down in there. There was already 4 speakers down in here, so that's why we just redid it like that. I would have tried to put speakers in the front, but that's how it was already, so we didn't want to recreate the wheel and put more labor in and all that for filling holes. Got this old whaler in for 100-hour, and then our glass guy is going to do some bottom work. It's got a couple blisters. Got this old Hell's Bay in. It's been sitting for a couple years, or a year, he said. So we're going to get it all detailed back up, service the motor. It's got a leak on the lower units. You see, prop catch seals, oil dripping, and the trim and tilt went out. So we're gonna get that all fixed and swap the battery out. Got Mr. Bellinger's, one of his contenders in from Gus's Toy Box. 100-hour service we're doing on this guy. And then new battery charger for the trolling motors. That one took a crap. And then we're doing a little bit of power pole work, putting a new motor and board. Got this Pathfinder in. Waiting on the bezel for the screen because we got the new GPS in it. And then we replaced the underwater lights, moved them up with some nicer ones, and then I'm gonna fix the holes down there because every bit of light that I've gotten like that style that fit in there don't work that great and don't last long at all. Got the K-Moss in. Just got done plumbing the tank up with the fills and the vent and the ground. Gonna do the pickup and wire up the sender before Jeff foams it all in. That'll be all foamed in and getting put back together here shortly. So I get this one out of here. The Donzi is coming along. So waiting on a couple parts for that. Cover came out sweet. Interior looks amazing. The Intrepid, another boat's been here for a while. T-top is back on. We're gonna be rigging this one back up here shortly. So be done hopefully in the next week or so. That'd be nice. And then we got Jeff in here. Just did a fresh coat of bottom paint on this guy. And then another boat.